welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope everyone is doing well today. Today I'm here to give you guys a quick tutorial on how to tie Gele with Ankara, and I'm gonna be using this Ankara print. It's basically the way we used to tie Gele back in the day before the the multiple steps came in. This was what our moms used to tie. This is what I was taught how to tie. As a matter of fact, most people still tie this today. I know Aisha Buhari still ties this style. Multiple people still tie this style. So I'm going to be doing it today. It's very quick, very easy. In less than 3 minutes, you're done doing it. And I'll be showing you guys today how to do that and how to work with your material. If you want to know how to tie this, then keep watching. But before then, kindly subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so this is the print I'm using. Okay, you see how long it is? Okay, so I don't want the one I'm going to tie today is not going to be extra big, so I'm just going to fold it into two like this. If you wanted it extra long, if you want your edges extra long, you can manipulate it and fold it in a way that, it's longer. You know how to do that now. You manipulate it. Or I'm assuming you know how to do that, to manipulate your material. But the first step is to get your material. I'm folding it into two, just like this. So it was bigger before. Then I folded it into two. So I'm going to take my hair backwards so I can tie this peacefully. I should even... Hold on, let me tie the hair actually. Let me put it in a wrap. So the reason why I'm doing this is so it doesn't bother me when I'm, doing what I'm doing. Okay, so here's the material. I'm just going to fold it into two. Just like this. I hope you can see me. Okay. So now it's folded into two. Okay. Can you see? Okay, you see? Folded into two. So I'm going to grab the back like this and I'm starting like this. So you see the way it is now. Okay. We're starting from the back. And the reason why we're starting from the back is so we can get what we're looking for at the end. And I'll show you guys. Then we're going to turn it, we're going to do a crisscross here, you see, like this. Can you see? We're going to do that. Then we're going to come to the back, just like this here, and we're going to tie it. Okay? So tie it as tight as you want there. And I'm just going to adjust my earring. So we're going to tie it. So you can tie it one more time, depending on how long your material is. So I've tied it the way I want it to be. So see the way it is now, okay? Then we're going to come like this and adjust it the way we want. So we're going to start with one side like this. So if you want it to be crisscross here in front, you see, let me take my hair in. So you see the way it is here. I'm just trying to take this hair in. So you can either get yours crisscross like this, because when you're tying it anyway, it becomes crisscross. So you can either make your own like this, or if you don't want that, you just make it circular. Like the way I'm going to do mine now. I want mine circular. I'm just bringing out my earrings. Okay? So you see the way I'm doing it now? It's going to be circular. Then I'm going to fix all of the edges here. So I'm going to start with here. Let me make it really circular first. Okay? See that? It's now really circular and smooth. Can you see? Then, we talked about arranging this. So we're going to arrange this now the way we want. So if we want it really large, we just do this. Arrange it like this. Can you see? And voila! We're done. You just arrange this the way you want, and we're done. If we don't like these two edges coming down, we can just tie it at the back again like this. Okay, then we'll now come and arrange it in front like this. And it depends on you and the style you want. And we can push it in if we want, and voila, we're done. Easy peasy. This is the style my mom used to tie back in the day. They taught us to tie, this is the style they taught us to tie. This is what my mom used to tie back in the day. This was what I used to tie back in the day whenever I wore Ankara or wore Gele. You can tie this with ashoke, with any material literally, just as long as you know how to just do the basic thing. Just tie it like that and you're good to go. And this is it, guys. And literally what most women still tie to date, especially on a daily basis, when you don't want to start doing the multiple step Ankara or doing the bow tie style or doing whatever the different styles are called these days. This is just an easy style for you to do on a daily basis when you're wearing Ankara, when you're wearing any kind of native wear and you need to manipulate your head tie. So this is just an easy style when you need to manipulate your head tie. So this is the way it looks at the back. See, pretty smooth. This is the front. I moved it in a little. If you want your, you know, some people like their hair to show. If you want that, you just push it back a little. If you want the crisscross, like I said, you just leave it the way it was when you tied it initially. This is it, easy breezy. The good thing I like about this style, you don't need any pins stroking your head. You don't need to put any bubble, any kind of pin in there. You just tie it and that's it. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this easy and quick tutorial. If you like to see more videos like this, kindly let me know in the comment section below. Do not forget to share, subscribe, and I love you guys. Mwah!